Yo, so we're about to do another back test sesh. The last video, I didn't even realize the audio wasn't recording from my mic, it was recording from my webcam, and it just came out completely trash. So if you can't hear anything, my bad. You know, future wise, I'm definitely gonna be using my mic. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is do another backtest sesh with gold this time, not EU. And then we're gonna do the same last week, the 9th to the 13th. Yeah, I already got it set up too, so we're gonna just get into this. So I got it set up for the third right now. I think it's set for like 13th. No, tripping, 9th. The 9th for this is all right. You know, I'm already like, I had it set for the 3rd for some reason. What the hell? That's odd. All right, let's do that then. How about that? Let's just do 2 weeks ago. Whatever. That's fine. I don't care. Let's line it up here. Okay. You know, I already know what's gonna happen a little bit right here, but so what? Okay, so let's go in the daily. Daily, I already have this the demand zone marked out. This here I have just to like confirm if we pass this for bullet. We don't really need this, to be honest, though. So the trend is bearish. It was bearish, like here from the whatever this is, the May, so like for months now. But we are about to hit this demand zone, and then the trend is gonna flip bullish if we get a confirmation, of course. Not just saying it's gonna happen, but we have to wait for confirmation. So yeah, that's pretty much it, because we're just like this is just going down. There's really not much to analyze. It's just straight going down. And yeah, what we can do though is mark out the daily high and lows. Oops, I don't know why. I mean, it doesn't even matter because it's just dropping, whatever. Yeah, let's just go ahead. It's already 9 a.m. on this, so New York session already started. I'll turn this on so y'all can see the sessions. So the red's New York session, this is London, and then the green is Asia. So London's like a cyan. So yeah, like a cyan. Okay, so yeah, so I would just be probably looking to get into shorts until we hit this. That'd be my, obviously the trend's the trend's bearish, So I don't want to be looking for longs. Personally, I don't feel like getting faked out, it's just not my style. So we can mark out some zones here. This is a zone. This would just be a continuation trend or continuation trade. So let's see exactly how things work out here. See if we get like any confirmation. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Like a little 2R. I like this trade because, well, technically, this would be like my regular right here. This is technically the play. I don't know why I'm being doing this up here. See, this doesn't make what I was doing before was like, this is really where my trade would get invalidated. Then I put my SL like extra high, just because I'm like, oh damn, what if it just somehow comes up here? But like, if you think about it, if it comes up here, right, it's gonna take this and probably maybe come up here somewhere. So you're literally just, if you're wrong, you're screwing yourself over, because your SL should technically be all the way up there in the event that it does take this, because then this would get used as liquidity. So either you want to like put your SL where it's actually supposed to be, where your trade would get invalidated, or put so like far away that that previous high gets used as liquidity. I was like putting it like above the high, and I was the liquidity. You know what I'm saying? You got to always think in terms of liquidity. So anyways, let's play this out. If it does go through it, I kind of want to like see, would we have been good if I put my SL up there? That would be like interesting, see what happens. Okay, so we did get, did we get hit? Yep, we did get hit. Yeah, we did get hit. We got taken out for like almost nothing. It sucks. Is what it is. Oh, whoops. What am I doing? Whoops. Let's see. That's unfortunate. The play was good. It didn't really do much anyways though, so I mean, like, what we missed out on, this is really like almost rollover. We missed out on like a 1R, so but yeah, I mean, the play was good. We just got taken out barely. Okay, so now it's about to be Asia. Okay, so now it's Asia. And let's just fast forward over to the next day's New York sesh. Alright, it's about it. Right here. Right here. Yeah. Okay, so we did have a 15-minute chalk. Okay, so trend equals bullish. 15-minute chalk. And $15-minute chalk off. Not to be honest though, this isn't really like a chalk. No, I'm gonna be honest. That's not really good confirmation. This is a much better confirmation. That's more of like a relevant high. This is like kind of just like noise. So I'm not going to say trend is bullish yet. I'm gonna just wait on that, because this is just noise. There's not really that much going on. That's all I'm trying to say. So but I'm not trying to get into shorts, right? Because we're in a demand zone. That'd be dumb. This is like a really risky area to try to get into shorts. Okay, so maybe we take out London lows, which we barely. No, we didn't even take it out. We just matched it. And this is horrible price action. Oh my God, who traded it? Who traded on the third? Good fucking luck, buddy. Holy shit. Merked. Just taking out both sides, like, holy shit. Did it like 3 times, like a whipsaw. Disgusting. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna trade today. Definitely not. That's what happens when it's on a big zone, though. When it's on a big zone, it's in that phase where it's trying to decide what it wants to do. So, I mean, that was kind of expected. All right, so we're about there now. Okay, so on the Now we can say that this is more of a chalk. If we can pass that, I'd be pretty bullish. It's more like a higher time frame chalk, which is good. If we can do that, that's good. The daily. Yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and go forward here. Liquidity zone. This is a really decent trade. Let's see. Nope. Okay, so what's it gonna do? It's going to shit on everybody. Damn, man, this is yeah, this is some gross price action. I can't lie. Good luck to whoever. Not gonna lie, lately gold has been pretty shitty. So there's just times of the year where gold sucks. You know, that's all I can say. Okay, let's go to the next day. But yeah, this is how it is sometimes. Sometimes during the year, you just gotta switch it up and play your other pairs, because sometimes just some pairs perform horribly. I mean, gold is infamous for doing shit like, you know, gross price action. So I mean, if that's the case, just don't trade it. You know, if the entry model's not there, why take it? Yeah, this price action is just fucked. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so now it's New York Sess. There's some liquidity down here, so this is the target for sure. All right. So now we're honestly just going through this zone. So let's probably gonna take this. Could see that happening. Damn crow. Alright, well now it's like 3 o'clock. Is it gonna hit this and then drop? Nope, it's gonna go up there. So now it's London. Look at that. It's called that. And they hit our target. Okay, so we just swept this. So now our target's gonna be that, because we swept it. So yep, hit our target. All right, so now we can officially say that there is a higher time frame chalk, right? Because it just passed it. So now I'm bullish. if we can close. If we can close above that. I mean, that was not really a close. That's pretty trash. So I'm not bullish yet. I don't think I am. It's already Friday on this. Pretty trash, I'm gonna lie. There it is. So now I'm bullish. I think I like how I think I just like trend more, because overall that's what really matters, is the higher time frame trend. So we could say trend bullish, chalk. Would be like one day demand, chalk. All right, cool. So -1 hour, didn't take any other trades, but let's just continue. Why not? I've only been going for like 15 minutes anyways. Fuck it. So it's Friday, but we're gonna just speed forward here and go to the next week. So this was now we're going to last week. Okay, we're there. All right, so now we're bullish. Trend officially switched, so we're looking for longs. That's the target, and we got this like giant, massive motherfucking imbalance right there. So probably should expect some, and there's liquidity under there. I mean, I'm guessing we're gonna probably see a lot of yeah, we're gonna see some here for sure. Okay, so we just took out the lows, took the liquidity, and then we have hit the imbalance. What to say? I would have probably put a stop. What am I saying? I would have put a buy stop here, purely because this is a chalk. I mean, it's just easier trying to guess like, oh, is it gonna come back here? Oh, let me put a limit order there and see if it like dips down and takes. So I don't like. Well, this technically is a limit order, but it's not. It's a buy. It's a buy stop, right? So I'm getting in based off of price getting there. The price hasn't already got there yet, and I'm not trying to like get a retracement. So it's not the same as a limit order technically. So yeah, I mean, the whole thing about limit orders is like, okay, I could be like, oh, is it gonna get here? And then I hope it gets here so I can get like a really good trade. I think it's just like, damn, bro, let me just take the damn trade. I know that this is my confirmation. Let me just enter based on my confirmation. You feel me? I'm not trying to like, let me just get in the trade. I'm not trying to like miss out on the trade just because I'm trying to get greedy and get a better position. Less are, but more wins never hurt anybody. That's all I'm gonna say. You know what I'm saying? Hope that makes sense. All right, so let's go ahead and go. Trash price action. It's 1 o'clock now. Okay, there we go. Very nice. You even could look at that. You could have for sure. This is a chalk right here. You could have for sure got in here or maybe like waited for the confirmation first, or it tapped, you know, waited for a confirmation candle. But yeah, that still would have been a valid, nice play. So where do we want to target? Maybe here. I mean, there's a lot of free real estate right here, you know. What time is it on this? This is 1 o'clock. We can aim for it to fill the imbalance. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, that's a lot of pips. Let me tell you that. Let me tell you right now, that's 170 pips. I don't think it's gonna do that, which is why we're gonna watch this and see what happens. So, okay, so we take that high, which was the previous. Was it the dividend high? Oh, my targeted. What am I saying? Yeah. Okay, so we hit the target, but that's like a 1R, so no. So let's see where we go here with this. So now it's already like, it's almost like 3 o'clock. It's pretty late. I would probably put my SL like, well, actually, I'm already minus 1R, right? So essentially, I want to at least make sure I get enough to like cover my last loss. That's because you got to realize that trading's all about survival as well. It's not just about hitting big trades. You want to make sure. So just so I can cover my last loss, and overall, this is a good practice, I'm going to just put my SL at a 1R. So that would cover my last loss. And it's late in the day. Probably better if we just don't try to fuck ourselves over here. We're almost at the fucking TP. Wait, is that even the right TP? No, I'm not even in the right spot. Our TP's right here. Okay, so you know what? Would I get out? Should I get out here? So now I'm thinking, let's see. I'll probably just hit a 4. I'll see if we can hit a 4R, you know? That's all. I'll just go for a straight 4R. Yeah, call it there. That's my TP. I'm not going to move it. Yeah. Let's put our SL a little bit slightly higher now. Probably will put it... I guess right there is cool. Whatever. Just enough so I can get, you know, make sure I get my my 1R, so that I recover my loss. So now it's 3 o'clock, 3:30. It's getting to that time of the day where shit starts to the volume starts to drop off. Okay, so it's late as hell in the day, like very. If I see some bearish, like, you know, if I see some bearish movement here, if I see a big candle going down, or I see like a high, like if I see a genuine high forming, you know, I'm going to get out. I'm waiting to see if we're going to pass that, because I know where I want to get out if it goes past it. All right. Yeah, I'd get out there. That's enough for me to say bye-bye. Okay, so that's 2.8. It's not bad. And then we can just see if it goes to our TP, I guess. And I think now it's already like Asia says. So yeah, so this was done. We hit a target here. Shocks there. All right. Okay. All right, so we got the imbalance there. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute. All right, let's go ahead. And we got London lows right there as well. It's pretty good. It's pretty good added confluence. Yeah. We hit the 50% of the imbalance. That's pretty nice. On the 1 minute, there's probably something going on, but who the fuck cares about the 1 minute? Who the fuck cares about the 1 minute? If you trade the 1 minute consistently, you probably hate your life. I'm just gonna be honest. It's okay though. All right. Let's just go based on the fact that if I did it like again, I did another buy stop, and then I had my SL. Let's see. I think that's not bad. I could put it under here because it's this is like a weird candle. I don't like that doji. But fuck it, we'll just leave it here where I think the trade is gonna get invalidated. Hold on. Let me do some quick maths. That's whatever. Okay. Sure, whatever. Yikes. Okay, so right, because we gotta break a structure here, so okay. I mean, it makes sense why that happened. See, that's the thing about doing SMCs, that like you know why your trade's wrong. You know exactly why a trade didn't work out. This was a break of structure. It's just following the lower time frame trend. I kind of jumped the gun, but yeah. Anyways, minus 1R. Okay. So we didn't take out this low. It tells me that this is a strong low. We didn't take it out, and we have a strong bullish momentum. I like this. I think I'm gonna get in on here and re-enter, and probably just play this whole thing, like this whole leg. Okay, where are we gonna aim now? I mean, just 1.7 hours, nothing to laugh at, bro. I mean, if you think about it, if you hit that 3 times in a week, you're already at 5R. So I'm just try to be not greedy on this play, just because I don't already like the price action. So I'm gonna just see if we can get out there. Considering getting out break even at this point, not gonna lie. It's 2 p.m. It's pretty late. But I did say that I would start letting my trades fly if I'm in them before a certain time. So let's just see, That's what I said I'd do, so we got to do it. Looks like it's working out in my favor. I mean, now it's 4:30. Might as well just get out here for like a 0.6. It's like right at the bell basically. And then we'll go to the next day. Go to Wednesday. Look at that. If we swung that trade, it would have hit TP, but I don't swing. All right. All right, break a structure. We did just hit a zone, so maybe it'll come back down here and we'll catch another long. Yeah. Structure, I mean, bullish trend. People are gonna probably try to catch shorts on this. I'm not going to, because I know the real trend is bullish. Okay, so this is gonna probably get used as liquidity, or it's just gonna go straight up. Okay, so now we gotta break a structure here. I mean, this looks kind of gross. Pretty gross. I came on the 5 minute. It's 33 o'clock. I wouldn't get in on this. Let's see if it would have played out. Looks like it is playing out. I mean, if I got in on this, this shit almost already at target. So, yep, there it goes. Just hit target again. If I swung this, I would have hit another W. That's crazy. Another one. What the fuck, man? 2.3R. RIP. But the reason I don't, so you guys are aware, the reason I don't swing, I keep saying I don't swing. I don't mind swinging on my personal account, okay? That's fine because I don't have any real risks on a personal. But swinging on a prop firm is completely different, and that's how I'm trading right now. I'm trading like as if I was trading a prop firm account. Swinging on a prop firm account, I don't like that. There's a lot of reasons. There are rules. They can do some funny shit if they want to because you're in a trade for a longer period of time. You know, I mean, most of these firms have shitty ass slippage. I mean, you're gonna go through a rollover with a shitty slippage just like that, just on like a prop firm. Like, I just don't like any of that. It just all sounds like shit to me. So that's why I don't. But if I was on my personal, man, yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna swing that shit. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so let's go back to this. So we're still here on a bullish uptrend. This is the 11th, the Wednesday. We're gonna keep going. Okay. Okay, we hit target again. Decent little continuation going so far. Oh, this is not even, my bad. This ain't even, this is London. Go to New York. All right, New York. Did y'all know that New York is the dirtiest fucking place in the world? I don't know if that's true. I'm just saying. I'm just talking shit. All right. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so we took London, we took Asia, took a lot of liquidity. But I mean, this whole thing right here is liquidity, so yeah. And then what are we talking about? What are you talking about? 4 hour. I mean, this is like a very small zone, very weird zone. All I gotta say, this is the candle before the uptrend, right? This was the candle that caused this. From this consolidation phase we had here, this is the candle that caused the uptrend. You can see we're going sideways and we go up. So we can go in the lower time frame, check it out, see if we get something, get a confirmation on this. That's pretty good. And we have a close. That's pretty. I'd probably like this candle more. I'd probably like that candle more for a chalk. So let's see. But yeah, we did pass it up, so it's not a body close, but I think I probably would have got in on this, knowing that there's a imbalance there. That's pretty good momentum, right? I like that, and it doesn't like us back. So I'd say this was just a bad decision, right? Like, see, I made a mistake, right? I used this shitty fucking zone, this horrible zone, as a reason to get in. It was not a good reason to get in. This wasn't not even a zone. So, yeah, that's why that failed. And now it's about 12 o'clock, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the next day. So let's see what it did though. Kind of just took some liquidity here, like off this low, I guess. Weird. So it hits our target again. So now I want to check the higher time frame because we are going up pretty high now. Yeah, so what should happen here is we should pass this up, and this would also give us another good confirmation that the bigger trend is going bullish. But right now, let's just keep going on this. Very strong momentum here. Very strong momentum. I would probably consider a continuation trade, but like this shit's just moving so damn fast. There's like no way I can even get in. All right, so that was it. Okay, so what do we come out to? That's a -1R, -3R, and then 2.8 plus. Okay, so we came out with like 0.5R plus. I mean, that's above break even, but yeah. Sometimes, bro, some weeks, like I said, some weeks, some months, some pairs just move like shit. And that's why I think it's really important to not just trade one pair only, right? Because there's a lot of shit, especially with gold. Gold is infamous, like I said, for being very volatile, and there's just some months where it's really shitty to trade. So, just have a few pairs. I'm not saying you gotta have like 10 damn pairs. You could have like 5 pairs. I'd say 3 to 5 is the sweet spot, and just rotate, and you'll almost typically always have a play every single day, one play every single day. That's within your entry model, right? So yeah, Y'all see y'all in the next one. Decent Sess. Peace out.